First Alert 6 starts now.
Thanks for joining us this evening. I'm Erin Sullivan. In April, we first alerted you to a homeless encampment growing in a North Omaha neighborhood. Now, that camp at 18th and Grant has since been cleared out, but there's another area the Douglas County Sheriff's Office is monitoring. First Alert 6's Philip Katafimo shares more on the issues surrounding encampments in the metro.
For the last 3 to 4 years, Douglas County Sheriff's Office says more homeless encampments are popping up.
I think overall in the metro area, we've seen an increase in encampments across Douglas County, in and outside Omaha.
DCSO has been monitoring the Highway 75 corridor for encampments. Since August, there's been 3 reported by the community. The Sheriff's Office is worried more could occupy the area. Last fall, the city of Omaha cleared out an encampment near 28th Avenue and Pinckney Street. Lieutenant Owen says infrastructure like bridges can attract camps.
We worked with our state partners to address some of those areas. I think there's a lot of tree-lined areas in that, some abandoned properties, some open lots that we worked with our partners to get addressed and get cleaned up and offer resources to everyone that's in those encampments.
Lieutenant Owen says some encampments can be a hotbed for crime.
For us, we've seen everywhere from theft to substance abuse. We've had evidence of firearms found in that area.
He says when DCSO responds to one, they talk to those living there and hand out resource cards.
We're not in there just to come in there to enforce the law immediately. We want to get the background and what we can do on the front end to address the issues.
Resources like the ones at Open Door Mission. The mission tells First Alert 6 their street team goes out and talks with folks at encampments.
We have panhandler cards with us all the time that give our main phone number here, let people know they can come and get a shower, they can get food, they can get clothing, get their needs met whether they're living with us or not.
Chief Communications Officer Amy Harvey says folks seek encampment for many reasons. Mental health issues, being kicked out of a shelter, drugs, and more are factors.
Sometimes they just don't like the rules, so they prefer to live where they can, where they make their own rules.
A lack of affordable housing in the city is also a contributor.
A lot of mental health issues going on, and that's escalated in recent years. And then people not being able to afford food and shelter and everything else.
In Omaha, I'm Philip Katafimo, First Alert 6.
You can contact law enforcement if an encampment pops up in your neighborhood. Places like Open Door Mission and the city of Omaha also have outreach programs.